Welcome back to Bags on the Go. Check this out, y'all. Still working on the El Camino. Got another update. Where I'm at now, what I'm doing now, you'll be able to see right here in this video. What's next? What's to come? What I'm working on for this week. I appreciate everybody chiming in my last video. That means y'all paying attention, and I appreciate that. The names are coming in for my cars. It's pretty cool. I'm already kind of getting close to a few names already, but we gotta do a voting process. This ain't just about me because I asked for y'all help. So I want y'all to be familiar with the names that I picked for the car, so therefore I'm gonna allow y'all to do it. So new week, new me, but progress has been made. A little small stuff, you know. I'm gonna turn the camera around here in a few, and you're gonna be able to see what's new, what's different, because you watched the latest video. And if you haven't, you're just checking in right now, I suggest you go back, watch the videos, and then come back here, or watch this video, like it, do whatever you gotta do. Make it through here. There's more to happen, there's more to come. This Bags on the Go, that's what I do. I like to restore cars. So let's get on right to it. Caballero. That looks like some progress has been made, right? Looking pretty clean. Right now, I'm allowing some more grease soak with the oven cleaner. This is brand new. This is the heater core. So we took this whole box out and replaced the heater core. And they had a whole bunch of that black goo, or I don't know what's that, rust proofing stuff or something, all right there. I gotta get all that off. I was gonna paint the whole board firewall back white, but I'm kind of thinking and leaning towards just doing it black. But I am going to leave my fenders white and core support, leave it white, just so when I have the hood opened up, it looks like that car, you know, clean up under the hood. The color is actually up under the hood instead of everything being black. I wanted to take the frame to the same color as the block, which is the iron. But I'm not going to do that, because then I'm going to have to get an order of paint by the box load, because, you know, they only keep a couple boxes, cans on the shelf for that stuff, and I really don't want to get to a point where I can't find none. Then I got to wait on Amazon to bring me 5 cans. So whatever, I'm like, man, it'll be okay. I'm just going to shoot it black. It is what it is. The whole frame is going to be black. I wanted to do something sweet and match it with the block, but we have another chance to do something like that cool one day. But here's the one that came with the car. We thought this was the one that was going to work, but if you pay attention to these 2 humps right here, it's a bracket that locks this down into place, and it does the same thing for the bottom. This one is the wrong one. So see that? See how the bottom is made on this one? So this is the old one. This is the one that came with the car. So I got that one on the shelf. I don't know what car it goes to, but it's the wrong part. And I haven't done anything to the interior yet. But however, this is the next step. We're taking this car outside. I'm about to cut out everything that's gonna get cut out. So when it comes back in here, all I gotta do is weld. We're gonna do cleaning outside, everything dirty and filthiness, painting outside. So it's nice outside now. It's a little chillier, but hey, guess what? We can last longer out in that sun without it being scorching hot like it was last video. So that's what we're about to, you know, spend our time on in this video. Let's show y'all the difference start to finish. But look at that oven cleaner working away while I'm doing nothing. It's making all that grease nice and soft. You see, that's the old brake proportion valve. You know, you don't see no brake lines coming off the booster or nothing. Everything on this car will be brand new. So, hey y'all, you know me. We at that point now. That's enough talking. It's time to get to work. You know how I do it. Baggsonthego. So it's outside now. And I went ahead and cleaned the frame. Good power wash. Only dirt that really stayed around is right over there. But the gearbox, you can see it now. That thing was coated with dust and dirt and grime. Look how clean that is. So I'm gonna continue to let this dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead, scrape it up. I should go start scraping it now. I can't stop working on this car. I want to let it dry for a minute, but I'm so eager to go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna take my time though, let it take its course, and then we're gonna get up in there and clean it. Only pretty much the frame, like all this linkage, this is gonna be brand new. This bar is gonna be newer. Gearbox is gonna be the same. That arm right there, I may replace that one, but I think I'm gonna replace all of this, just all of it. Take this whole thing out, just take it out. New body mounts, motor mounts. I'm sorry, new motor mounts. Those are coming off. Cause this right here, look at that. Get them up out of there. Put the new one in. Alright, so I got the frame, everything that's pretty much, you see that's rusted. Got it scrubbed up. I got a few areas that still got some grease over the frame. So, like back there too, I gotta rinse it down one more time anyways, and I'm gonna put a little degreaser on that area. Other than that, about to wash it one more time, rinse it down, let it dry, and we're gonna start primering it. Sun is beating, so I'm gonna use that to dry the water off. But see, the ground is dirty. It's all the old from that ball, well, not ball joint, but the linkage right there and that boot. Look at that gearbox, how clean that is. All right, so as I leave off for today, this is a good point. It's pretty much primed up. Did the frame, a battery tray, core support, and firewall. Anything you see is still rusty and crusty is because I will be replacing those parts, so no need to waste my time or paint on those stuff. All of that stuff is going to come off. It's going to be brand new, so not going to worry about it. Looks pretty good though. I wanted to prime the side fenders, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait because I really want to get all the way over in the corner and paint all of that white. But when I'm gonna do it, I need to do it to where everything else is gonna be, no, I should probably paint the white first and then the black on here. We're gonna figure it out. But all this stuff that's gray is pretty much gonna be black. Up top here is gonna be white though, so it follows everything up under here. All this stuff you won't see. All of this will be black. I wanted it to be the same color as the engine, but it's not gonna work out. Let's just go with black. It'll be best, but we're gonna keep the white up under the hood best we can. I'm going black on the firewall. Thought about it, just do it black. Cause that white paint, when I take off this, I'm gonna get behind there and paint best I can. But that white paint could be everywhere, just so it blends in with that box. It'll be okay. It'll be black, just like I did that one over there. It'll be black. It'll look good. So this is where I'm leaving off for today. Wish I could do more in the day, but sometimes, you know, you just gotta baby step by step. I wanted to cut out the floor today, but only had enough time just to get this done, and I'm happy with it. Frame's clean, everything is prepped and ready to go, and that's it. Keep pulling it in and out when I want to do stuff to it, but we getting there. Welcome back to Baggsonthego, where every day I'm on the grind. And where we left off, I sprayed the primer. Now what I'm gonna do the white on the inside of the fenders now. So when I do the black gonna cover up all the white. Cause if I spray all of this black, that's where you think all the white's gonna fall. All over the black stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and touch it up now. And then do it step by step. I'm gonna take the brake booster down before I paint the firewall, because I feel when I remove that brake booster, I'm gonna be able to get behind there and be able to clean that wall up and paint in areas like back down in there. Plus I gotta take the wire harness out to take off all the wires that we're not gonna be using on this car. So I'm gonna hold off on painting the firewall until I get this out. But I already scuffed up, add a little tape. Not worry about overspray too much because I'm gonna paint these black, so it'll be alright. But so yeah, I'm gonna keep this part white, but I'm gonna go black, everything lower, because you won't be able to see none of this anyways. So let's get to work. It's gonna be more days like this. and we're gonna be right up in this garage getting it together. So this is where we're leaving off for today. Fresh white, can't beat it, can't go wrong. It got me kind of thinking I might as well should just paint that white. So I don't know, guys, I don't know. So what I'm gonna do next, I already started putting out the wire harness and stuff so I can pull out the wires that's not needed that's in this wire harness. Pull the other wire harness out for the computer on that side. Get that out of here. We is using that AC box and stuff like that, y'all know that. So I'm gonna pull this out. Now I may go with the fancy dancy with the chrome joint, or I may just go back with this original hookup here. Don't know yet. I was thinking about changing the steering linkage, the bar. May do that, may not, don't know. But most importantly, what we're gonna do is clean this firewall up. So next step, remove this brake booster, paint the firewall, so when we stand back and look at it, it's gonna be crispy. And then, guys, it's gonna be on to the interior. I went ahead, so I know I got this floor pan. I got some more floor pans upstairs. I went and checked today, and you know, I got another one that's pretty much gonna go up the side right there. So I ordered another one, so it's a whole full sheet, like as if you was doing the whole floor pan. Kind of got me thinking, no, keep it easy, Jay, keep it easy. Yeah, so you know, that's the next step, guys. But I gotta wait to pull it outside so I can do it outside, cut out the floor and everything, get it ready to be prepped and welded. But it's raining today, so I said, you know what, that's cool, because I'm up under the hood right now. You know, this is the easiest step of it all right here. Once I get done with this, I gotta do them flows. And you know what I'm saying, just step by step. Some of the stuff just takes time, but don't cheat yourself. Put in that work, put in that quality time. This ain't a race. The best part about this whole project is the stages. Because once it's done, you don't want to be going back, oh, I'll fix that later. I don't like to work like that. I'll fix it now. I'll do it now. I'm showing y'all how that white, I put a little clear on it too. The white that I use, let me show you the white that I use. So I put this white on it first. Put that white on it first and only had one can. So I went and got this stuff here and put this as the top layer. And then went ahead and hit it with some clear coat. You know, because this is just up under the hood. Like, I obviously could have popped these fenders off. This was the primer. That's why it looks so smooth. I could obviously pop these fenders off and all of that, sent them down the street, so have them painted and all of that stuff. And it's just like, man, this is white. This is basic white. And it's gonna get dirty. So when it's basic white like that, hey, as long as it look good up under the hood instead of being black all up under the hood, man, it's gonna look all right. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It's gonna be fresh, and all of this stuff on down will be black. So then I'm gonna have to mask off all of this to make sure no overspray get over the white in order to do all the stuff that needs to be black. It's just a work in progress, y'all. We gonna knock it out. All right, y'all, so I appreciate y'all for following along, allowing me to do what I do and create and be able to show y'all. But I'm about to go ahead and end it for today, pick up where we left off on the next task. It's Baggsonthego. Peace.